Hello guys, Dave here from Creative Guitar Lounge. A little bit of a different video, just a quick one, and apologies if the sound's not great. This is just purely on the phone, and it's a little unboxing video because I've just taken delivery of my new studio monitors, which are KRK Rocket 5, and it's the G4, which is the latest incarnation of this monitor. So I've already opened one and I've got the monitor set up through in the studio, but we'll open the box and let you see what's in the other one. So let's just do that now. Okay, so in the first box we got a quick start guide and a little package of, the little silicone moisture remover stuff, but also a little free gift, some little Haribo Sweeties Star Mix and a pen, which is from DJ Deals, which is the store where I bought this. Just an online, I just did my research as usual, found out these were the monitors that I wanted to get to replace my old Alesis A1s, which I've just, well, one of them's just destroyed itself for the second time. So it was time to replace them. So after a lot of research, these are the guys that I thought would be ideal for me. So did what I usually do, went online to look for the best deal, and this was the best deal I could find for a pair of these DJ Deals. Online. They've come exactly as they said, on time, free delivery all the way here to Argyll, and they cost £218 for a pair, which is the cheapest I found them anywhere. So anyway, let's look at what we've got in this other box. So we'll just open her up here. Bear with me. It's exactly the same in this box. I'll just pop you here for a moment. Let me open her up. Okay, so box within a box. So here's the monitor. So we'll get rid of this box. There we go. So nice box, and that's the monitor itself. So yeah, they are the new G4 version of this monitor. So we'll just open this box. Okay, so I'm not getting my free gifts in this one, but that's fair enough. I don't really need 2 pens and two more sets of stickies. So we'll just see what we get. I should mention, they also come with EIC cable, which you need for each of these because they're powered monitors. Okay, so I'm getting another quick start guide in here, another packet of silicone, the cable, which I did get in the other one as well. So I've got 2 sets of cables, and it's nicely packaged in this foam stuff. And so there is the monitor, and I think you'll agree it's quite an attractive little box of tricks. So I'll obviously, once I get these up and running and do a bit of testing, I will review them, but I think they're going to be really pretty cool. They're a little bit smaller than the Alesis, which is good because I've only got a little studio room, but they have an app that comes with them so that you can actually set them up to suit your room, and they'll kind of analyse the frequencies. There's an EQ, I think, at the back of these as well. There's a little EQ window there. Sorry, shift down here. Yeah, so there's this little EQ window which you can set on each speaker if your room is less than ideal, which is definitely the case of mine. My monitors, just out of necessity, are quite close to a window. So I've got some foam and stuff behind there, but these should help to give me an accurate kind of room tuning, as it says here. High resolution DSP room tuning. So we've got a volume control here, balanced input. Doesn't come with any speaker cables, I've already got all those. And it does come with the mains cables. So that's that. So that's my new KRK Rocket studio monitors. And we'll do reviews, like I say, once we get these set up and tested. I'll do another video. So cheers for now. Bye bye.